Hello everyone, welcome to another update. This is basically days 10, and as you can see, seedlings are looking wonderful. The true leaves are beginning to show. These right here are beginning to get bigger, broader, and we are still observing these space to really see if we are going to have any germinating from there. But of course you have to expect that you might have blank cells. As I said, the seed pack the seed pack does not guarantee 100% germination. I think it had about 90 something percent, maybe about 92 I think percent germination. So yeah guys, as I said, this is this 10 update, and I'll see you again. So basically, before I go, this is just showing you the progress on a daily basis of the seedlings. So stay tuned, and just remember to subscribe to the channel to get more updates, and I'll see you again.